In this video tutorial, we'll talk about the external application component. The external application component allows you to run a particular exe, a particular binary application inside a screen division. So if you want to run Firefox or a point of sale or even a VLC media player inside a screen division, the external application component will allow you to do that. Now I just want to mention that the external application component is an advanced feature. For most users, you can accomplish pretty much everything you want to do with our existing components, including the video players, the Swift players, the RSS, video, podcasts. All that is available to you through our standard components. But if you need it, if you do need this extra power, then you can use the external component feature to accomplish a particular task. This is the first of many video tutorials on this feature. In this video, we'll just cover the basic functionality, and then you can go into the other video tutorials to watch an in-depth tutorial per particular application that you're interested in. So let's start things off by switching to campaigns, and let's go ahead and add a new campaign. Start from scratch, called campaign 3. Next, and we'll select our screen division, click on finish, and we have our 3 blank channels ready to be used. If we look over here under components and under external application component, we'll go ahead and take it and drag it onto the free blue channel, and click on this pencil icon right here to edit the properties for this external application component, and click on the tab to open the properties for this specific external application component. Now you see that we have these 2 fields right here, the application name and the command line. The application name is where you're going to put the full path to where you have the binary installed on the signage player that you want to execute, and the command line are arguments you want to pass to the application. So if we wanted to run the Firefox browser, for example, we would need to install Firefox browser on the computer on the signage player where the signage player is actually running, and we'll need to put the full path to the exe. And for the command line arguments, we're going to put cnn.com. So it's going to open up the Firefox browser, and it's going to find it under program files, Mozilla Firefox, and then firefox.exe, and it's going to open up by default the CNN website. Now this is great if you're going to use the Windows platform. If you're going to use a Linux or Ubuntu platform, then obviously the directory is going to be different. It's going to be /userbin Firefox. This is where Firefox is installed in Linux. So again, it's just a matter of which platform are you using on your signage player. So in our case, we are going to use the Windows platform. So we're going to put the full path, and again open the CNN website by default. Let's say that we're going to play a couple of resources. Over here in these free channels right here on the bottom. Go ahead and stretch the resources all the way through the channel for a total of 1 minute. And let's say that we're going to play the Firefox browser for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to show a Swift for about 10 seconds or so. And then we could, if we wanted to, open up another external application just after it. And let's go ahead and set up another resource to finish things up. So what we've set up here is that the signage presentation is going to start with a Firefox browser. Go ahead and run a Swift, go back to another external application. In this case, we're going to set this also as a Firefox. Now let's say that on our second external application we would like to open up a different website. So we want to open up espn.com. So it's going to start off with cnn.com, then switch off to a Swift resource, then to another Firefox external application pointing to the ESPN website, and finishing up with another resource. So we're all set. We can go ahead and save our configuration now. And at this point we are ready to test it out and see how our external application is working. So let's go ahead and test it out. So we'll switch over here to stations, and I see that I have a station that's ready. So it's actually over here in the back. So I'll go ahead and kick off the presentation. And you see that as soon as the presentation starts, I have Firefox that opens up for me. And this is a full-blown Firefox browser that's open up inside a screen division. And then I have my other channels. Now this is again pretty powerful because Firefox can really do anything. Can run any plugin you want. So that's a nice feature to be able to integrate a Firefox browser inside your presentation. You'll see that in just a second the Firefox will switch back into an image just as I've set up my presentation. So here you go. Now I have a Swift that's running. In about 10 seconds it'll go ahead and open a new Firefox browser, but this time with the ESPN website. So there you go. Now it's showing me the ESPN website as a Firefox browser inside my signage presentation. So this wraps up the introductory to our external application component. You should check out our other video tutorials that talk specifically about applications such as Firefox, how to clean up the framing in Firefox, VLC, which is a very powerful media player that can be integrated into a screen division. We have the virtual VCR for capture card support on Linux capture card support. So again, quite a few different applications that you can integrate. And again, I should mention that as I mentioned earlier, that you can really integrate any EXE application. If you have a point of sale system, that can be integrated. Anything can be integrated into this feature, into this external component functionality of the studio and the player. Thank you.